Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on trading tips and strategies that can help you level up your game. In this video, we are diving into something that could completely change the way you approach trading, and that is the triple screen trading system. Now, whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, this strategy can give you a major edge in spotting high probability trades. So grab a pen and paper because we are going to break down everything you need to know about using this system effectively. First, let's quickly define what the triple screen trading system is. Developed by the legendary trader Dr. Alexander Elder, this system uses multiple time frames to help you filter out market noise and spot trends with greater precision. Now the it's called the triple screen because it involves analyzing three different time frames to make your trading decisions. All right, that's the reason why it is called the triple screen trading system. Okay, let me just indicate that right here. Okay, now why is this so powerful? Because trading on one time frame alone can sometimes give you false signals. A market could be moving sideways on a shorter time frame while showing a strong trend on a longer one. Now, the triple screen system solves this issue by aligning your trades with the overall market direction. Okay, let us take a deeper dive into how it works. The first screen is all about identifying the overall trend using a longer time frame. Most traders start with something like the daily or the weekly charts, right? The goal here is to look at the bigger picture and determine whether the market is trending up, down, or sideways. For example, let's say you are looking at the daily chart. Now, if the price is making higher highs and higher lows, we can see this consistent increase, over the past couple of days. We can see how, this is literally the daily time frame, right? But we can see how the price has been climbing higher and higher consistently. We have been having higher highs and higher lows over the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over the past week consistently. Now this is today's candle, right? So if today's candle should close above this previous day's candle, it means that we're going to have 7 straight days of higher highs and higher lows. There's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. 7 consecutive days of higher highs and higher lows if today's candle should close higher than the previous day's candle, and if it should not drop below the previous day's low. Okay, so it is crucial because you want to trade in the direction of the larger trend and not against it. Now, the beauty of the triple screen system is that once you've identified the trend on the first screen, you can then move on to the next level of analysis. The second screen is where we zoom in a bit, typically using a medium time frame. Okay, so many traders actually choose the 4-hour or the 1-hour charts here. So what you are doing on this screen is confirming whether the trend you identified on the daily chart is still valid and picking the most opportune moments to enter. For example, if you are in an uptrend on the daily chart, just like we identified here, you will then look at the 4-hour chart to identify a pullback or a consolidation, which is your opportunity to get in at a better price, right? So here we might also add an indicator to help confirm the trend. A popular choice is the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. This is actually a popular choice, right? Is a popular choice. Or you can even add a simple moving average. These indicators can help you refine your entry points and make sure you are not getting in too early or too late. Now we come to the final screen, which is the short term time frame. This is where the magic happens, and this is where you make your actual entry decisions. Now, traders typically use charts like the 15 minute or the 5-minute chart for this step. On this screen, you are looking for entry signals that align with the trend you have already confirmed on the first and second screens. This could be a breakout, a candlestick pattern, or a moving average crossover, something that indicates the price is ready to move in the direction of the larger trend. So this is where things get exciting because you are entering the market with a higher probability of success. The trade is already aligned with a bigger picture, and you've used the short-term chart to get a solid entry point. Now, why does the triple screen system work so well? The answer is simple: filtering out market noise. We all know the market is full of fake outs, sudden reversals, and random price movements. By looking at multiple time frames, you increase the chances of trading in the right direction and avoid those false signals. So this system helps you stay on the right side of the market by using a top-down approach, meaning you are always aware of the bigger trend and only entering trades when the lower time frames confirm that trend. It's like stacking the odds in your favor. Okay? So now let me just show you how this works in practice, right? Let's say you are looking at the Euro USD pair, which we are obviously doing right now. So on the daily chart, you can see you can spot an uptrend. In fact, a strong uptrend on the daily chart. So price is consistently making higher highs and higher lows. Then you go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you notice a small pullback right here, and the price seems to be finding support at a key level. You see a bullish candlestick pattern, which we can see right here. This bullish candlestick pattern formed just around that support level. So this is your perfect entry point, right? This tells you that the trend could continue upwards. Okay. Now finally, on the 15-minute chart, you spot a breakout above resistance level. Let's just zoom out a bit. Let's zoom out a bit. Now we can see that this particular level, which we found on the 4-hour chart, you can see it is being respected on the 15-minute chart as well. And we can see that we had a breakout from this level and a retest, right? This at this time it didn't exactly get to the level that was newly converted into a support, but at this time it got to that level. This was formerly a resistance that now turned into a support, right? So we had a breakout and a retest. Okay, it aligns perfectly with the trend on the daily and the 4-hour chart. So this is your perfect entry point. All right, now at this point you can confidently enter the trade knowing that the higher time frames support your decision. So you've just used the triple screen trading system to enter a high probability trade. A couple of tips to make sure you are using the system effectively include patience, sticking to your time frames, and risk management. Now let's just quickly talk about patience, right? Patience is key. Okay, do not rush your entry for any reason. The system requires you to wait for confirmation from all the three screens before pulling the trigger. This means you may not always find a trade every day, and that is okay. All right. Now, secondly, ensure that you stick to your time frames. The system works best when you stay consistent with your time frames. Do not jump between different time frames during the analysis. All right. The trend you see on the daily chart should align with the signals you see on the shorter time frames. Okay. And finally, talking about risk management, always use stop losses and manage your risk accordingly. Even though this system helps filter out noise, no system is foolproof. All right, and losses can happen. To wrap things up, the triple screen trading system is a game changer because it helps you stay on the right side of the market, reduce noise, and make more informed trading decisions. By combining multiple time frames, you increase the accuracy of your entries and improve your overall trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future trading tips and strategies. Drop a comment below if you've used the triple screen trading system or if you are going to give it a try. I love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching and happy trading.